Hey guys, Jwana here at Mastria Subaru in Raynham, Massachusetts, here to show you the 2020 Subaru Ascent. We did get a lot of emails regarding the Ascent and the space with a car seat in the back. So I'm here to show you how much room you will have with a car seat and an adult sitting in the third row. We are here in the second row of the Subaru Ascent. I do have the seats perfectly in line. I'm going to sit in the back in the third row so you're able to see what the space looks like, so you get an idea. I am 5'7". We'll pull these seats forward. All right, here I am in the third row of the Subaru Ascent. So I'm going to pull this seat back, and I'm sitting in the third row currently. Again, I'm 5'7", so I have plenty of room back here. My feet are comfortable, it's not touching. And also, I did sit in the front driver's side seat as well as the passenger side seat, and there's still room for adults. Thank you for watching. Again, it's Jwana at Mastria Subaru in Raynham, Massachusetts. We were taking a look at the space of a 2020 Subaru Ascent with the car seat in the second row. If you have any questions, please give us a call or shoot us an email. Thank you.